What if your desk had its own intelligent robot with personality? Meet QB, the next-generation desktop robot designed to bring life to your workspace. This smart companion uses advanced AI to interact, react, and even hold conversations, making your desk feel alive. Unlike typical assistants, QB works mostly offline, protecting your privacy while delivering fast, real-time responses. With its expressive design and customizable features, it adapts to your mood, tracks your focus, and reminds you of tasks. Whether you need productivity support or just a fun tech companion, QB blends intelligence with personality. It's not just a gadget, it's your smart desk partner for the future.
What if a small gadget could save you from being stuck on the road? Meet the Baseus Air Pump, a compact yet powerful lifesaver for every driver. This smart, portable inflator quickly pumps up your car tires with precision and ease. Just set your desired pressure and it automatically stops when done. No guesswork, no stress. Its digital display gives real-time readings, while its cordless design makes it perfect for emergencies anywhere. From car tires to bikes and even sports balls, it handles everything effortlessly. Built for speed, accuracy, and convenience, it's a must-have in every vehicle. Stay prepared, drive confidently, and never worry about low tire pressure again.
What if your nightstand could completely change your room's vibe in seconds? Meet the LED Nightstand, a weird little Amazon gadget that brings style and function together. With built-in LED lighting, it lets you switch colors, adjust brightness, and create the perfect mood instantly. Some versions even include wireless charging and touch controls, making it more than just furniture. It's sleek, modern, and perfect for bedrooms, gaming setups, or aesthetic content. Whether you want a calm glow or a vibrant look, this nightstand delivers. It's not just a table, it's a full experience upgrade. What if your phone could lock in place no matter how rough the road gets? Meet the Car Mount, a weird little Amazon gadget that makes driving smarter and safer. Just clip or stick it to your dashboard and it securely holds your phone in perfect view. With 360-degree rotation, you can easily switch between navigation, calls, or music control. It's sturdy, easy to install, and designed to stay locked even on bumpy roads. No more dropping your phone or looking down while driving. Simple, practical, and honestly, something every driver should have.
What if your screen could float right in mid-air? Meet the Holo Neo Hologram display, a futuristic gadget that turns digital content into stunning 3D visuals you can see without glasses. Using advanced LED projection technology, it creates eye-catching holograms that appear to float in the air, making it perfect for presentations, ads, or next-level desk setups. Whether you're showcasing products or just upgrading your space, it instantly grabs attention. The setup is simple, and the effect is unforgettable. Sleek, innovative, and built to impress, this device brings your ideas to life like never before. This isn't just a display, it's the future of visual technology.
What if you never had to waste time searching for your lost keys again? Meet the KeySmart Tracker, a smart solution to one of life's most annoying problems, lost keys. Compact and lightweight, it easily attaches to your keychain, wallet, or bag. Using advanced tracking technology, it connects to your smartphone so you can instantly locate your items with just a tap. A loud alert sound helps you find things fast, even in tight spaces. Long battery life ensures reliable performance whenever you need it. Whether at home, work, or on the go, this gadget keeps your essentials always within reach. Simple, smart, and incredibly useful for everyday life.
What if your coffee could print anything you imagine? Meet the Coffee Latte Art Printer, a futuristic Amazon gadget that turns every cup into a masterpiece. Using advanced food-safe printing technology, it creates detailed designs, logos, or even photos right on your latte foam. Simply connect your phone, choose an image, and watch it appear in seconds. Perfect for cafes, content creators, or impressing guests at home, it transforms ordinary coffee into a personalized experience. Easy to use and incredibly precise, it brings creativity to every sip. Innovative, fun, and unforgettable. This isn't just coffee, it's art you can drink.
What if one tiny gadget could power all your devices, anywhere in the world? Meet the Momax 6-in-1 Travel Adapter, one of the coolest gadgets on Amazon for smart travelers. Designed for global use, it supports multiple plug types, making it perfect for international trips. With 6 ports in one compact device, you can charge your phone, laptop, tablet, and more, all at the same time. Built-in safety features protect your devices from overcharging and overheating, giving you peace of mind wherever you go. Its sleek, portable design fits easily into any bag, making it a must-have travel essential. Stay powered, stay connected, and travel smarter with Momax.